Hello, good morning, students. Let us see student next point. Preparation of alkane by Wolff-Kishner reduction of aldehyde and ketone. So in Wolff-Kishner, if you talk about student, so what the reagent we are going to be use student Wolff-Kishner. Here we are using that is hydrazine. Okay, hydrazine. In this hydrazine, that is formula is N2H4. This is the hydrazine formula. So let us have a look over it, student. How can you prepare when aldehyde and ketones are heated with hydrazine and KOH or potassium tertiary butoxide in the high boiling solvent like ethylene glycol. So that is we are taking KOH and ethylene glycol is there. Ethylene glycol means this will be the alcoholic or diethylene glycol gives alkane. This reaction is called Wolff-Kishner reduction. So what the point is all about, students? Here in this reaction, straight chain alkyl group can be attached to benzene. Okay, in this reaction, carbonyl group is converted to CH2. So here you can say hydrazine is there. Firstly it is giving intermediate, then it is giving product. Okay, and here what is that is sodium has been taken in the ethyl alcohol. Here KOH is taking in diethyl glycol. Here is ethylene glycol. So let us have a look over it, student. How can you be understand? CH3 C double O and here is CH3. Hydrazine, how I am writing, student, that is NH2 and NH2. This is the hydrazine. Here is oxygen and here is hydrogen. It is getting minus H2O and here is what is forming, student, CH3C. Here is CH3 and this will be double bond N and NH2. Right now, students, here if you see, this is if you treat with the KOH, you are taking alcoholic KOH, dear student. So what will happen? Alcoholic KOH, alcoholic KOH means that is KOH in ethylene glycol. You are taking ethylene glycol, dear student. KOH you are taking in ethylene glycol. So what it will give, student? CH3C. Here is CH3. This hydrogen is coming here, CH2, and it will give that is N2 gas. So that is the KOH in ethylene glycol is removing the nitrogen. So this is what is known as, student, that is the propane. Similarly, if you are taking aldehyde, dear students, suppose I am CH3C H double bond O, and if we are taking this one ethylene glycol NH2 and NH2 and NH, so NH2 you are taking, it is becoming N2H4. There is a minus H2O. So here is what is, student, CH3C. Here is hydrogen, double bond N NH2. If you are talking about this, student, and treating with the alcoholic KOH, okay, so what will happen, student? Here is N2 will be removed. Okay, and alcoholic KOL means you are taking that is ethylene glycol. So N2 is getting removed. Here what will be there, student? It will giving CH3 and this H2, CH2 and H again CH3. So this is giving the ethane. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.